Welcome to the Arduino Bootcamp course, Learning Through Projects, where we're going to whip your Arduino skills into shape. I'm Leah Sam, and I'll be your instructor on this journey. You'll be learning a lot about Arduino and building some cool projects in the process. Here are some tips to help you successfully navigate this course. If your circuit does not work, you'll need to double check your wiring and check it again. Most of the times, issues in circuits are due to wiring problems. I even make mistakes sometimes as well. Check out the Q&A on the course for questions and answers that may have already been asked and answered. That will quickly get you a resolution for a problem. If all else fails, you can send me a message and I'll get back to you. Be patient. There's going to be a lot going on while we're working on a project. Electrical components, hardware, software, and they all have to play together. I always explain electronics principles about the components we're using in the project so you'll understand how everything fits together. The projects are self-contained, so you don't need to buy all the parts at once. You may decide which particular projects you want to focus on and buy the parts that are needed for those projects. In the parts list, I've also put a list of parts by project to make things easier for you so you can plan ahead. Remember, we're going to be learning about important concepts in electronics and the Arduino platform, but don't forget to have fun while you're doing it. Let's get started.